been talking about rhyming words. So rhyming words are words that end in the same sound. They have the same ending sounds. So who remembers what are some examples of rhyming words that we talked about? Anaya? Hat and cat. At and at. They have the same ending sound. So let's look at some more examples. We have bug and jug. What's the ending sound like? What's the ending sound, everybody? What about clock and rock? What is that ending sound? Clock. Ring and king. What's the ending sound? King. Mouse and house. What's my ending sound? House. And skate and gate. What is my ending sound? Gate. Okay, so raise your hand if you heard of a poem before. Have you written a poem before? No? Yeah. Okay, well today we're going to get a little practice with that. So since we've been learning about rhyming words, when we look at a poem, most of the times poems have rhyming words too. So let's listen to this poem here. Pencils and scissors, crayons too, papers and backpacks, and 2 packs of glue. These are things we all shop for when it's time for school, time to learn more. So, did we hear any rhyming words in this poem? Yes? Can I get one person to come to the board and underline 2 rhyming words that they see or heard in the poem? Amari? Which rhyming word did you see or hear? Wait, stay right here, Amari. Which rhyming word did you hear? Pencil and scissors, crayons too. Listen to me read this. Pencils and scissors, crayons too, papers and backpacks, and 2 packs of glue. Did you hear any rhyming words? Guys, can we help Amari out? What rhyming words did we hear? Anaya? Aubrey, what rhyming words did we hear? Listen carefully. Put your listening ears on. Pencils and scissors, crayons too, papers and backpacks, and 2 packs of glue. What rhyming words did I just say, Malik? I said glue, and what other word did I say that rhymes with glue, Kaylee? What other word did I say, Cameron?
Two.
Thank you. So let's see, is it another word? These are things we all shop for when it's time for school, time to learn more. Did we hear any more rhyming words? Carter?
4 and more.
4 and more. Thank you, Carter. They have the same ending sound, ooh, in 2. Glue, the ooh sound. In 4, we have the or ending sound. And in more, we have the or ending sound. Those are what rhyming words are. So now we're going to get a little practice writing our own poem. Okay? So I want you to go ahead and open your notebooks to a clean page. Write your first and last name at the top of your paper. So we are going to create our own poem with at least 5 rhyming words. How many words are you going to have?
5.
And guess what? I already did some of the work for you because I gave you a topic that you could write about. So your topic is going to be school, just like how the last poem was about school. So I want you to start thinking about some words that rhyme with school, or what are some things that you associate with school. When you think about school, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Anaya? Work. What else, Carter?
Cool.
Huh? Cool. Okay, school is cool. Is that a rhyming word?
Yeah.
It's not?
Yeah.
School and what?
Cool.
That's rhyming. Messiah, what else do you think about when you think about school? Huh? word work, learning, and cool. So these are words that you just came up with. So I want you, when you're writing, think of some words that rhyme with some of the things that you came up with. Work, learning, cool. These are examples of things that make us think about school. Okay? So we're going to spend about 6 minutes coming up with our own poem. And I'm going to be walking around because I want to see what you guys come up with. And if we have time, maybe somebody can share. Okay, my timer's on the board. I want to see people writing. Remember, our rhyming words, the ending sounds have the same sound. Like tin and din, tats and hat. Do we need to see the example of a poem on the board? No? Yes or no?
Yes. What you have so far? School. So I want to go in school. Who is school? Go to school. Okay.
Okay, stop. Pencils down. Okay, I'm gonna pick one person to share what they wrote. Maya, can you read what you wrote in your outside voice so we can all hear you? Cool and cool, air and fun and we have clocks and rocks. It's time for school and good job, Maya. So, did we all hear what Maya said?
Yes.
Can anybody tell me what rhyming words did Maya use in her poem? What rhyming words did we hear, Anaya?
Luck and fun.
Say it again.
Luck and fun.
Luck and fun. Do those have the same ending sounds? I'm going to write it out. Luck and fun. Do those have the same ending sound? No. So are those rhyming words?
No.
Let's read it. Can I read it again, Maya? It says, school is cool. There is bugs and jugs. We have clocks and rocks. When it's time for school, we learn more. Did we hear? And what rhyming words did we hear? Think about those ending sounds. Carter. Clocks and rocks. Those have the same ending sound. Clocks and rocks. Did we hear any other rhyming words in her poem? Cameron? School and cool. School and cool. They have those same ending sounds. Anything else, Naomi? Bugs and jugs. Bugs and jugs, they have those same ending sounds. Okay, so now that we got a little practice with our rhyming words, we're going to break off into our small groups. And we're going to get a little more practice in our groups today. So listen carefully so you know where to go. Go ahead and put your interactive notebooks away. Listen carefully. My group is Naomi, Nazir, Maddie, Kaylee, Lennox, and Kaden. We're going to be at group 2. All you need to bring is a pencil. Malik, Elijah, Jermaine, Cameron, Raven, and Amari. You guys are going to be at the back table with Mrs. Metley. Bring your body and your brain. Let's move. Alan, Messiah, Aubrey, Kylie, Demir, and Carter. You guys need to get your laptops. You have an assignment on Moby Max, and it is called Rhyming and Other Sound Devices. You can sit at group 3. And Dashay, Maya, Anaya, Sam, Nathan. You guys need your reading, iReady workbooks on pages 246 to 247. Yes, come to group 1. And page 249. Your instructions are on the board. If you're confused, look on the board. But we are working quietly. I should not hear you. Miss Millie's group. Turn to page 382.
246. You guys are moving this coin and then telling you the 4 sets of rhyming words.
Go ahead and write your first and last name when I see your paper. Go ahead and write your first and last name. Get this book right here, Elijah, so she can sit down.
Okay, so today we're going to be talking about repetition. Now, repetition is when a word
Wait, whose book are you in?
over
Go to the back table.
and it's going to supply
Leave the
some
book.
type of
Just sit
meaning
it.
and
Go
it's
to the back table.
explain or to our story.
Okay, so who remembers? We went over alliteration earlier this week. So who remembers what alliteration?
What is our point
What's
called today? April Rain Song. And it's by Langston Hughes. Now, Langston Hughes is an author, a poet,
It could rhyme
and
sometimes.
he is a
Do we
very
remember what
well-known
alliteration
poet.
is?
So we're
Do you
going to
remember
read
hearing
these poems, and we're going to
Peter
look at
Piper pick the
repetition
pickle
of
peppers?
words as we're reading.
She
What
says
words,
she's invited
what
Right.
lines
So, with that being said,
are being
do
repeated,
you remember
or
what
what
it is
phrases
now?
are being
Alliteration? Or do
Yeah.
we need to refresh our memory? Do you remember his name?
Amari, read the first one for me.
It's a sentence that keeps repeating like the same letter.
Right. It's a sentence that repeats the same letter sound. So that's huh? Mm-hmm. So today we're gonna do some practice with that today. So I want you to look at your worksheet.
So stop right
It
there.
says tongue twisters and sentences with repeated sounds that are difficult to read 3 times quickly.
Here, over
Read the example below. Do you think the author followed the steps of how to write a tongue twister? Let's try to say that. Mr. Mike milks Millie the most mooing cow. Try
what
to
was
say
the
that.
phrase we kept hearing? Let what? Let the rain. Look at here, line 1. Let the rain.
Is that hard to say? Mr. Mike milks Millie the most mooing cow. It's not hard to say?
Let the rain.
So they're giving us some steps on how to write a tongue twister. So it says first, pick a letter that you would use repeatedly throughout the tongue twister. So I want you guys to think of your favorite letter, or look at the alphabet right here, and I want you to pick a letter from the alphabet.
Think about it. Turn and talk to your partner.
So you say M.
Let the rain.
What letter are you gonna choose, Kaylee?
A Z.
A C. Okay. Z. Okay. So right where it says letter, I want you to write whatever letter that you're gonna choose. So Maddie, you chose M, you're gonna write an M. Kaylee, you chose a Z, you're gonna write a Z. What letter are you gonna choose, Nadia?
Yeah, what is Z now?
S? Okay, so right here, write an S.
Okay, so why do you think that he said let it rain 3 times? Yes. So you think the story is all about rain? Okay. Now let's read the third stanza.
Okay. So the next step.
Raven, let's go. Keep going.
I'm gonna choose the letter J. I'm going to choose the letter J, and when I'm thinking about what subject I'm going to talk about, I'm thinking of some words that start with a letter J. So think of any word that starts with a Z or a T, or what letter did you choose? What letter starts with a Z?